guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be fixing my broken slime. So the first slime is this. I got it in a set and it wasn't very good, so I added something, but now it is completely melted and hardened. So I'm going to pour it out into the bowl so it's complete liquid and complete solid. So I'm going to mix it all in together. I've been mixing it in for a couple of minutes, but it hasn't really been working, so I'm going to get my hands in. It's very slimy and sticky. Next, I will be adding some white PVA glue to make it more stretchy and more of a slime. I'm adding it little by little so then it comes together. Hopefully this should do the trick. I will be adding some Elmer's activator as it hasn't really come together, but as soon as it is not sticky, I can start kneading it. I will add it little by little so then I don't overdo it. I can automatically feel it coming together a bit. I will add a tiny bit more and then maybe get my hands in. I hope it works. This is a very gruesome slime and does not look the best. I will now start using my hands. It is it's quite a strange colour and feels a very strange texture. With a bit more mixing, it will be perfect. I have let it set for 3 hours and here is what it is like now. It's still very wet and sticky, but I should knead it in for a bit. I have now mixed it all up, but it is a bit stiff, so I'll be adding some more PVA glue. Here we go. Here is the finished slime. It's super stretchy and it's got a lovely pink sparkles in it. That is the transformation that I was looking for. Here's the before and after footage. Thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button, click the like button and press the notification bell. Bye! See you next time!